If you're looking to start making money online in 2025, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down 9 beginner-friendly freelance jobs that you can start today. Don't worry if some of these sound advanced, many clients on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr actively look for beginners to tackle simpler tasks. Why? Not all businesses need complex solutions or have big budgets. Small businesses, for instance, may not need a full-scale SEO strategy, they might just need basic keyword research and content optimization. Similarly, they may not require expert copywriters but rather someone to craft simple product descriptions. You can start small and build your skills over time, as long as you're honest about your experience level. So, if you're ready to explore these opportunities, hit that like button, and let's dive in. The online course creation industry is set to hit $350 billion by 2025, and course creators need help managing their growing businesses. A course creation assistant is like a production manager for a digital classroom. Here's what you do. Organize course materials and outline lessons. Set up platforms like Teachable or Kajabi. Manage student communication and technical support. Create worksheets, resources, and ensure the course runs smoothly. Earnings potential. $15-25/hour for basic tasks. Many professionals in this field earn between $35,000 $40,000 per year. How to start? Familiarize yourself with popular platforms. Take a few free online courses to understand how they work. Set up profiles on Upwork and Fiverr, and reach out to course creators. Email marketing generates $42 for every $1 spent, making it one of the most profitable marketing strategies. As an email marketing assistant, you'd help businesses by writing newsletters and promotional emails, setting up sequences and managing email lists, analyzing metrics and running A/B tests. Earnings potential. Beginners earn $12-20/hour. Seasoned professionals can earn $42,000 $60,000 per year. How to start? Learn platforms like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, or ConvertKit. Experiment with free accounts and create sample campaigns. Offer your services on freelance platforms and pitch to businesses. A great PowerPoint presentation can seal deals, and executives often dread designing their own slides. Presentation designers create visually engaging layouts by turning bullet points into stunning visuals, designing templates, adding animations, and polishing for a professional look. Earnings potential. Beginners can earn $12 $18/hour. The average annual income is $89,000. How to start? Master PowerPoint or Google Slides. Study great presentations and create samples for various industries. Build a portfolio to attract clients. Businesses spend $350 billion annually on lead generation because, without leads, they can't survive. Your role involves researching target markets and building email lists, creating lead magnets and managing capture systems, qualifying and categorizing leads. Earnings potential. Freelancers typically earn $10 $15/hour for research and list building. Professionals can make up to $53,000 $87,000 per year. How to start? Master one lead generation method, for example, LinkedIn outreach, email campaigns. Approach local businesses with a customized plan. Create gigs on Fiverr and Upwork. With YouTube's growing popularity, creators need help managing their channels. As a YouTube manager, you'd oversee content uploads, quality control, and video edits. Manage scriptwriters and strategize content. Ensure consistent posting and audience engagement. Earnings potential. Rates vary, but experienced managers can earn significantly due to YouTube's profitability. How to start? Study successful YouTube channels. Offer your services on freelance platforms. Build relationships with up-and-coming creators. This role involves manually uploading and managing content across platforms, ensuring consistency in posting. Proper links and descriptions. Error-free final uploads. Earnings potential. Hourly rates vary but can grow significantly with experience. How to start? Practice posting on different platforms. Learn scheduling tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. Offer services on Fiverr and Upwork. Recruiters spend just 7.4 seconds scanning resumes, making standout resumes a valuable service. As a resume writer, you'll format resumes for clarity and impact. Optimize them for applicant tracking systems, ATS. Write cover letters and LinkedIn profiles. Earnings potential. Beginners earn $12 $18/hour. Experienced writers make $42,000 $64,000 per year. How to start? Learn ATS optimization techniques. Create sample resumes for different industries. Market your services on professional platforms. AI tools like Midjourney enable you to create stunning artwork without traditional skills. AI artists craft custom visuals for businesses, authors, and game developers. Prints, NFTs, and courses. Earnings potential: beginners earn $15 $20/hour. Experts can charge up to $250/hour. How to start: explore AI tools like Midjourney. Build a portfolio and offer services on freelance platforms. With short-form content booming, businesses are spending up to $500 per script for 30-second TikToks and YouTube Shorts. Your tasks include writing attention-grabbing hooks, adapting brand messages to short-form formats. Earnings potential: beginners charge $50 $150 per script, depending on length and complexity. How to start: study viral short-form content. Practice writing hooks and storylines. Build a portfolio and pitch to creators.